Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this bearing block in SolidWorks software. In this bearing block, the bearings are assembled. The dimension of the bearing block is 40 by 100,000 mm length. And this is 40 mm. Finish sketch, thickness of the block is 13 mm. Next there is a cutouts for bearing. So the bearing outer diameter is 32 mm. So the bearing will fit tightly in this block. So do the sketch pattern. Select this edge, select the sketch. Give the here 41 mm distance from roller to roller. 24 rollers I need. Extruded cut depth here I need. Thickness of the bearing is 10 mm. 1 mm extra I am giving 11 mm depth. So again select this surface, sketch, create one circle here, give the dimensions 25 mm. Sketch pattern, select this edge, select the sketch, give 41 mm and this is 24. Finish, future, extruded cut. Here we can give through all, okay, through all or blind. See, this is the OD of the bearing will sit, this is outer race of the bearing will sit. So assign the material for this, edit material. So I will assign for this aluminum. T6. So that's it friends, this part we can give some chamfer on the edges. So thank you for watching this session friends, we'll see you in the next session.